In Burgundy, a winemaker is leaving its own winery within some weeks, I would say. And I'm here to give you the real news, because the rumors are always based on truth, but after a while the rumors are really strange. So I've heard that I left the Ponsot because it was for sale, and I didn't agree. This is not true. The Ponsot is not for sale. People said also that I was sick and I was about to die. Now I'm here, very alive.
You look remarkably fit, Laurent.
Thank you. And so, for personal reasons, I decided to move forward because I had in mind a lot of things to do that I could not do through my situation at Domaine Ponsot. So I wanted to have more freedom to start a new winery and go on using technology to the service of nature and the service of history. So this is why I am now on my own with my son Clément, which is 37, passionate by wine as well for years, and we start a new venture. So I guess you will have a lot of questions about that. What I can say is Singapore is a place I like very much. Emerson said 10 years. No, I started here in 1985. So more than that. I started 10 years ago with a new importer, but I had another importer before. This importer was a great guy, but I think he didn't sell a lot of my bottles because he drank them. But most of them. So no, I like Singapore for the main reason is that here, when I sell wine, people are drinking the wine. They are not collecting to show off, or they are not collecting to speculate on it, they drink. And this is what I like for a winemaker. When you produce wine, you want the people to drink it with pleasure. And this is one of the places on earth where you are the most in that direction. I have to give you a little example. One day I came here, it was probably 12 years ago, and I had invited at a dinner, and a private dinner. 10 people were there, and everyone would bring a bottle. And I see when I get into the room a lot of bottles in the center of the round table, and my eyes are attracted by one Magnum with the capsule of Domaine Ponsot. And I looked around to see what it was, and it was a 1985 Clos Saint-Denis. I produced 10 magnums of this wine. I sold none. I gave 3 for charity in London, 3 for charity in New York. So how come I am there in Singapore with one of these magnums? So we sit at the table, and my neighbor says, I bought this magnum in an auction in London, and I knew I would drink it with you. So for me, it was a big emotion when I said that. I still have not the tears coming out, but really a big emotion. And this is what the clients and the drinkers are here in Singapore. And it's not by chance that I'm here, and it's the first press conference I do since I left Domaine Ponsot. I'm very happy to do that here. And what can I say?